Hey guys, so part 2. Of how much glitter I put in my slime. Can I see it now? I actually have glitter all over my hands. Oops. Like literally, it's like not even stretching. Like it's hard to stretch with. Do it again. What? 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 5.
Big chicken or chicken Alfredo?
Big chicken.
Just big pieces.
Are we gonna have enough with that?
Chicken Alfredo.
Probably not.
Are we gonna have enough with that?
Yeah.
Because I want to go to the store. Do you know how to get?
Easy. That's good Alfredo. Plus, it's not like I need to use all this chicken. We're gonna get fat if you use all this chicken. We don't want to be fat, do we? We don't want to be fat, do we? Exactly. This is enough for a family. Even says right there, value size, family pack.
But we're not family.
We're not a family, where are we then?
We're 4 people.
Yeah.